So today I'm going to be talking about stripping your armored cable, your AC90, otherwise known in trades as BX. So this right here is what's called armored cable, AC90, and again BX. Inside you can see in the sheath there is your conductors, and on the outside it's armored cable. So it is fairly tough. It can take some damage, but some abuse, but it still does have to be protected. How you strip this is a little different than NMD90, as you can't just stick a knife in and slit this armored cable, slit this armor. So what you have to do, the easier way to do it, and what most people do in the trades, even though it technically is not the correct way as per the manufacturer to do it, it is the widely accepted way to do it. And I will be showing the other way to do it also. You're going to pick a point, how much you need. So say about, that's about 8 inches plus another 2, about 10 inches there, give or take. You're going to take that armor and you're going to crack it. So once you crack it, you can see the paper on the inside and one of the conductors. That, because it's bare, you can see the ground conductor, the bond conductor. After that, you kind of look how the wires are, or the armor is twisted around, and it goes in order. So you you twist that armor in the way that it's wound, or opposite to the way that it's wound, so that it makes that little loop there, and it kind of buckles the armor. And then you can take your side cutters, cut the armor, and slide off the piece of armor. At that point, you have this little tail, this little nub that's can be sharp. You just want to trim that up so it looks something like that. Looks nice and neat. At that point, you use this thing here. So this little thing is called an anti-short. So this anti-short would get tucked, the long end, in between the armor and the wire. What this does is it protects the armor, or protects the conductors from the armor, especially when you're clamping down on in a box. That armor can actually push into that cable itself. So this just helps protect it. That's what it should look like. It should be fairly flush to the actual armor itself, the very top. If you have it sticking out something like this, it is not acceptable. Okay, it should be all the way in, just like that. It does help if you rotate the armor a little bit to make the little bit of room inside the armor itself. Okay, and that's how you strip armored cable.